Hello everyone, today's video is a Coach unboxing. I have a Coach shoe unboxing, and if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, keep on watching, as well as hit that like button, as well as hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So yeah, you guys, today I have these lovely shoes, and these are the Hallie shoes by Coach, and I wanted to do an unboxing of them. So this is the shoe right here. And I was out and about one day minding my own business, and I ended up at the Coach store and I saw these lovely shoes and I decided to go ahead and pick them up. I love how sturdy the Coach box is that you get with them. And let's go ahead and unbox these babies. So this is what the shoe looks like right here, how it came in the box. That's how it looks right there. And it came with the card and care information, as well as it was wrapped, and I went ahead and unwrapped one of them, and I have the other one still wrapped. So this is the shoe right here, and this is what she looks like, and it's the beautiful Hallie slide, the beautiful Hallie slide or Hallie shoe by Coach. And this is what it looks like. Now this shoe was made with, I had an option when I was there to choose the one that had the band, the ankle strap around the ankle. And I decided to go with this one. Even though I was at the Coach store, I had to order them because they didn't have them in my size and have them shipped to my house. So I sized up, I went one size a little bit larger, and because I had to go ahead and size up because I was, I wasn't sure about my size and I wanted to make sure that they fit, I decided to go with the one that didn't have the strap around the ankle. And they also had the version of the Hallie that I chose, the brown leather and the monogram. They had the version of the Hallie that had the monogram on both straps right here. So the full shoe was monogram. And then I thought about it and I was like, well, I'm not just gonna sometimes wear these Coach sandals with just Coach bags. So I just wanted a little hint of the CC. So I opted not to go with the one that had the CC around the larger band right here. I opted to just go with the all leather band. And that way, I want to wear them with other things, with my Coach bags as well as with other handbags. So, and it's okay sometimes to mix and match designer brands. So I decided to go with this pair right here. This is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. Let me go ahead and grab that other one out. So this is how she came, and her buckle is still wrapped up. Let me go ahead and move the box on over. And this is how she came. She's still wrapped with her little buckle right there. So let's go ahead and take the foam out, as well as unwrap that buckle. And the name of this shoe is the Hallie she's in the color khaki and saddle, and it's called the Hallie Signature Sandal. That's the name of it, the Hallie Signature Sandal. And it's such a cute feminine shoe. So cute and pretty. So this is what they look like. And I have the Coach driving shoe. That's a driver's shoe in the same signature Coach pattern. But for the summertime, I thought this one would be so nice to, to wear with some of my handbags. So this is what it looks like. And I do think that I'm gonna go ahead and on the little area right here, with where it's marked Coach so lovely in the gold, with that gold embossing or lettering where it has the logo and the name right there, the signature. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little tad in a square, a little bit of clear nail polish over that so that it doesn't rub off. Because my fear is that as I'm wearing them, your heel is gonna rub against that, and eventually that Coach gold is gonna start to fade. And I don't like how the shoes look like that when they start fading. So I normally just put a little bit of clear nail polish over that. And then that way I can slide my foot in and out. And even when I'm not wearing them, as I glance over and look at them, I can still see the beautiful Coach, signature trademark right there. But this is a lovely, lovely pair of shoes. The Coach Hallie Signature Sandals. and I went ahead and I'm so happy that I picked these lovely shoes up. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my Coach signature Hallie sandals. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, as well as check out my playlist on designer shoes. And I'll see you again soon in another video.